Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, my acne. So today is December 16. December 16, 2025. And mag-a-update tayo sa aking hydroponics. Pang ilang araw na ba? Wait, check natin. Check natin. Kakatapos ko lang mag-lunch kanina mga 1. And it's already 2 p.m. So, tingnan natin pang ilang araw na tayo sa hydroponics. Let me check. 11. Oh. 11. So, last. Oh! Ayan, check natin. Wait. So, 11, nasa 15 days na tayo. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So, today is the 20th day of our hydroponics. Okay, ito na yung hydroponic natin. Super leggy. But, so far, green naman ang leaves niya. And, yung ginamit ko na, nut sol is parang expired na siya, nagmo-molds. Tapos ito, ginawa ko na lang ganyan kasi na sobra yung trial ko. Pero, pwede pa naman yan. Ayan, wala na siyang tubig guys. Kailangan ko siyang lagyan. So, ito, this is okay. And, magra-round 3 tayo ng experiment. Umorder ako ng bagong nut sol. So, ito yung nut sol ko guys. Kita nyo, may molds siya. So, I decided to buy another one kasi baka hindi na to masyadong effective. Ayan o. May mga particles na umaangat. So, ayan. May ganyan. So, ayan. I ordered nut sol, not just green leafy. Pero, umorder rin ako ng nut sol na for, nut sol for fruit bearing. Kasi gusto ko i-try yung fruit bearing. Tapos, nag-order na din ako ng pH up at pH down. Kasi kailangan talaga siya para sa healthy na Tapos, nag-order din ako ng hydrogen peroxide to cleanse the yung kailangan kong hugasan yung mga nagamit ko na horticulture foam kasi baka nagkaroon na yun ng bacteria at makakasama. And of course, we are going to do some unboxing kasi I ordered this last month pa and it took a month to arrive. Na-delay siya guys. This is for my candle material. So this is a material for my trial for the candle, scented candle. Ayan, 47 pesos ngayon lang dumating. So ito, actually, I have a thermometer before, but I throw it away kasi akala ko hindi ko na siya gagamitin. Ayan, ito yung in-order ko. And, yeah, ito siya. This is 47 pesos sa Shopee. But because of the bagyo, typhoon, that's why it took a lot of time. And I decided to vlog today because, kasi nga, yung sa second channel, magpa-vlog dapat ako for the second channel. But, tinanggal yung isang tripod ko na for the second channel na shoot ko. Inilalagay siya sa natanggal siya kasi kami dito, ginamit namin yung mesa the other time. So, maybe tomorrow I will shoot a video kasi wala yung partner ko. And, yun. That's it for the update sa ating hydroponics day 20. So, see you maybe after 5 days. Gagawa ulit ako ng, oh my god, yung eye bags. So, see you after 5 days sa day 30. 25. Sa day 25. Check natin if may improvement ba, lalaki ba yung leaves ng leggy natin na pechay. Okay? See you!